Hello everyone. Today we're going to paint a cute picture of a cat. Okay, let's start. Right, we start with white, blue, green, yellow, brown. Okay, let's start with a 2-inch brush. Get some blue mix into a little white color. Alright, just put a lot of color on your brush. We go up and down, cover most of the paper. Okay, and keep going. We cover all. Yeah, just like that. Okay, we covered all, and now we're going to do some gray color. Okay, put some white and black, mix light gray, and we go the same way up and down. Okay, and go gently cover part of it. All right, and now we make some even lighter. Yeah, just like that, and then cover here and there, and that's it. And we come back for more. Okay, and here we need an angle brush or other brush you feel comfortable with. Okay, we just need to draw a line. If you're not comfortable to draw a straight line, you find a ruler or paper, cover it. Okay, just draw a line. No need to be super straight. Just like this, draw a line. Okay, now we make some blue color, dark blue. We're going to do the cat. Okay, and then you can draw them first. You're not sure, and then yeah, I just did this way, but you can design them, sketch out first, and then just fill up color. Okay, yeah, I'm drawing the head now. It's basically just doing the shape, and then later on we add light color to make the contrast. Okay, just go on and make the shape of the cat here. If you are not sure, you should watch it first, and after watch the video and you pause it, and then you do your own. Okay, and then later on you continue watch the video. All right. When you draw the cat body and the ear, and you make center first, and then you go out little by little to shape up. Okay, so that way you don't make big mistake. Little by little you'll do the correct shape of the cat. All right. All right, we finished the body. We switch to a smaller brush, very thin one. We're going to do the tail. Okay, watch carefully. The tail is very thin, and you just down with one stroke. Okay, and then come back for a little bit to fix the shape on the tail. Okay, that's it. So be careful where you draw the tail. Okay, now we're going to shape up the legs, the body with the same thin brush. Be careful when you use this one. If you're not sure how to use the long brush like this, you can have very thin brush as possible that you can control with. Okay, we just want to do the edges. Yeah, just make darker edges on the body around it. Okay, just let this shape up. That's all. All right, you can try this brush just with very gentle pressure. Okay, so the gentle as possible, and then you will draw very thin lines. It's easy to control it after a little bit of practice. Okay, so I suggest you to use this one, because later on you're going to use this brush a lot. All right, this is the best for details. All right, here we're going to put some light color. Yeah, just around the head and the body. Okay, I did it fast because I think the color a little bit too light. Later I going to put some other color, but it still show a little bit. It's worth it to do it so. Okay, and you could do it, or you can skip this layer. And then, like I said, now I get some dark blue. You see, it's not like that light. And then we're going to do the similar thing and cover it. Okay, but you see still showing some light color in behind. It's okay to do it that step, okay? Yeah, we just go on and put here and there a little bit light color and to make the contrast a little bit more, all right? And did a little more for the paw here on the front. Okay, we washed the angle brush and we're going to the next part. Okay, we're going to do the coffee cup and the dish. And then the first layer, you use a little bit darker color and not just white, a little bit dark, very little bit add in, okay? Yeah, and then you just shape up the first layer, the cup and the dish. Yeah, just like this. And we're going to put a light color and shallow to make the difference, okay? And later on. Yeah, just like this, the first layer, okay? Okay, now grab the detail brush again, the thinner one. We make dark blue and add some black color in the blue we have, okay? And then just draw a very thin line, and that's the design on the coffee cup, okay? Just go on and draw a little bit curved line, not straight, okay? A little curve, okay? And then we're going to shape up the cup edges. Just like this, shape up and do the dish. All right? Okay, you see, with a few lines, we make the cup appears clearly, okay? Okay, here we draw a circle inside the cup. That's where the coffee is, okay? And then we draw the handle of the cup on the side. And be careful here, you do it carefully because very thin. And then you draw the lines, the outside lines first, and then fade up with white color, all right? And then here we go on, put some light color around the cup to make some different color, okay? And then later on, we're going to come back and put some shadows. And here we add the coffee color in, the brown color, all right? Just a little bit showing there in the cup. That's it. Here we're going to go back to the thin brush again, and we shape up the cup a little bit more, all right? And just go on and shape up on the edges of the coffee cup, of the dish, because sometimes you may make little mistake on the outside, so you shape again, all right, to make it clear. And then here I draw some like napkins or shallows on the bottom. Is okay, you decide what to put there, okay? And see, I'm shaping up also the cup on top. So once you step a little farther, you may see some problems and you can come back and fix it later on, okay? So now we just draw like the steam come out from the coffee all the way up. So we did several times, and the first time we did a dark color and then a gray color and then a light color 3 times, and then it goes curve around all the way up. Here the cat, I decided to put a little bright blue color in, okay? And the color, you can design them what color you like to do. All right, I put some light color, and now I got some white for the point of the ear, okay? And put 3 dots for the nails, and then put some highlight on the leg and also the body. All right, we switch back to the small brush. We add in some brown into the yellow, okay? We're going to do the eye of the cat. And be careful here, you want to make the eye feel like it is still sleepy. I will show you a little more details on the eye later on. Now we do the whisker first. And use the brush, you press in first and then take it out as fast as possible, okay? And then here we're going to put some highlight under eye, okay? And on the face here also, on the head, yeah. And we're going to shape up around the eye. Yeah, I actually did shape up the eyeballs, all that, with the thin brush on the edges, okay? It's easy, you just go around the eyes. Now we're going to put some shadows on the under the face here, and then to make a little bit more details. And later on, you just touch a little bit white into the eyeball, and that will show the cat eyes. And then just, I have a color a little bit light yellow because I don't like the one we have before. All right, I wanted to have a more yellow. And then you do the same thing, you get a dark color on the outside and then touch a little bit white in, okay, for the light. And here we shape up the mouth a little bit, and then you can take your own time to do it, and just like that, touch a little bit, add little highlight on the whiskers, okay? And here we're going to add a little bit highlight around the mouth here, okay? And we get some dark color. We're going to do some shadows on the cup to make stand out, okay? And also on the bottom. All right, today's lesson will end right here. I wish to see you next time. Subscribe on my channel. All right, enjoy your painting. Bye bye.